guys, it's Dr. Michelle Hurless here with Lexington Podiatry. Dr. Barco and I are spending some time going through some of the products that we use to help patients today. And I have here our 1906 brace, also called like a hinge brace or just an ankle brace in general. We use this brace sometimes in place of a boot. If you have balance issues, or let's say you really have to go to work but you need that stability in your ankle, we might give you one of these. We also might give it to you for immobilization, for support with ankle sprains, and a number of other reasons. So I'm going to show you how to use it today. So you'll see in the front there's some Velcro. I already took one off, but it's the same on this one. So we'll remove the Velcro here. And then and you can remove the back as well if you need to make it wider. So I have kind of a wide calf, and I'm going to remove it so I can give myself some extra space. So I'm going to take all these apart, and then what we do is put it inside of your shoe like this. So I have even dress shoes on today, and I tried this out. You can fit it in there. So we'll put it in my dress shoe. You just slide it right in. You might have to take the factory insert out of your shoe in order to get it to fit, which mine are because I wear my inserts in these. So I took the factory insert out. So you can see how it's put in my shoe like this. Look down in there. That foot plate sits down in. Then you take it and kind of slide. So I set it down. You kind of slide your foot in. And these hinges are a little difficult to maneuver while you're doing it, but I slid my foot in, and now you can see this is kind of mobile. So I'm going to strap the back strap first here. Holding these together. So I strap that. Then we're going to come around to the front. We're going to put these in to their slots. You can do this over like a tall sock or one of our compression sleeves. We want it to be snug on your leg, but not enough to strangulate it. And then we'll do this side. And then, so I'm going to tie up my shoe then. Normally this would probably go a little bit better in a tennis shoe, but you can fit it in this shoe as you can see. And then you can just walk like normal. It gives you stability, so your ankle joint's not going this way, but also kind of helps support the rest of your lower leg and your foot. So this is our 1906 brace.